Gmail has an extensive set of features which might not be obvious without looking closer at the interface. Let's look at a few. A text editor is available in Gmail. You access it by clicking Compose to start a new email and clicking on the underlined capital A next to the Send button. A toolbar with typical word processing options pops up, allowing you to change font, text size, text color, apply bullets and numbering, and so forth. By clicking on the mountains icon, you can add images directly into your email rather than as an attachment. Any pictures you may have in your Google Drive appear here, or you can choose to upload your own from your computer. Once you've inserted your image, you can resize it by clicking on it and dragging the corner nodes in and out. You can click the Google Drive icon to attach files which have been uploaded to your Google Drive. This is a useful solution when you want to share files which are too large to send as attachments. Gmail will create a link to files that you share. After you send a message, Gmail briefly allows you to unsend it by clicking on a menu that appears momentarily in the lower left. By default, you have 5 seconds to respond. If you click the gear icon in the upper right for settings, and then see all settings, you can extend the time next to undo send up to 30 seconds. Remember to save your changes at the bottom of the menu. You can increase your Gmail efficiency by learning and using keyboard shortcuts. To enable shortcuts, click on Settings and then see all settings. Scroll all the way down to Keyboard Shortcuts and turn them on by clicking the radial button next to Keyboard Shortcuts On. Save your changes. Now keyboard shortcuts are activated. You can press Shift plus question mark to toggle a list of shortcut key combinations. You can create an auto signature for your outgoing emails. Click on Settings and then see all settings. Scroll down to Signature and select Create New. You will be prompted to name your signature, as you can create multiple signatures for different occasions. Type a name and click Create. Type in your signature text. Under Signature Default, select your signature from the drop-downs as desired. Remember to save your changes. Now your signature automatically appears when you compose emails. You can personalize the way your inbox appears too. Click on Settings. Under Theme, click a thumbnail to choose it as a background, or click View All to see more choices, or use your own image. The setting menus offer many more customization options. Browse them for further ways to tailor your Gmail experience.